Hello again. Welcome to the lesson 3 of module number 2 for English grade 6. Tapos na natin ang dalawang lessons. Now let's proceed to lesson number 3. Before that, we will give credits again to the development team of the module and the Department of Education, headed of course by Secretary Lenore Magtolis Briones and the Undersecretary Justado M. San Antonio. Thank you so much po. At ngayon ay punta tayo sa lesson number 3. Okay, our lesson 3 means finding meaning in visual media. So, we have to examine the picture and answer the questions that follow. So, ito yung picture ngayon. Merong mga katanungan. Question number 1. What is the caption of the visual? Number 2. What is the first thing that captures your interests? Number 3. What is the gender of the picture or the person in the picture? Number 4. What do you think is the work of the person? Number 5. What message does the picture want to convey? Do you know how to read an image or picture? Say something about the picture. Do you understand its meaning? Direction. Answer the questions based on your interpretation. Write your answers on a separate sheet of paper. Number 1. Who are the subjects of the image? Number 2. Where do you think is the setting? Number 3. Where does each person gaze? Number 4. What captures your attention first? Number 5. What is the central meaning or message of the image? Now, what is a visual? A visual is something you look, such as picture, chart, or piece of film that is used to illustrate something more appealing or easier to understand. A visual media are sources of information in the form of visual representation. This can be abstractions, analogs, rough illustrations, or digital reproductions of the objects. There should be interpretation of data, and sources may be hosted on the internet, printed in publications, displayed through broadcast media, or otherwise disseminated. So pag sinabi nating visual media, ito yung mga information na makikita natin in terms of visual representation. Ibig sabihin makikita sa ating mga mata at merong representation ng visual na hindi mo na kailangan pang magbasa. Pagtingin mo na lang sa picture ay alam mo na kung ano ang gusto niyang sabihin. That is visual representation. Makikita natin ito pwede sa internet, pwede printed sa mga publication, mga broadcast media, or saan man ito na disseminate or na ibabahagi. Now, visual media is what human eye can see. So gamit ang ating mga mata, makikita natin yung visual media. It plays a big role in advertising, art, communication, education, business, and engineering. Visual media is often used as a learning aid. So ibig sabihin, pag sinabing visual media, nagagamit ito sa ating pagkatuto. Media can be used in almost any discipline to enhance learning, both in class and also for out-of-class assignment. Short film and television clips, written articles, and blog postings can be viewed to reinforce concepts and spark discussion. So ito yung ibig sabihin ng media. Now, types of visual media. Meron tayong tinatawag na images, videos, and infographics. So ito yung iba't ibang meaning, concept. Pag sinabing images, it is the most common types of visual media being used by online marketers today. Most common, pinakamarami ang gumagamit ng images. Should be compelling enough to attract maximum views. And contents with compelling images can generate 94% more views on an average than content without images. So pag nagbibigay ka ng content, nagpresent ka ng content, pag binilagyan mo ng picture, 94% ang more views kaysa walang content. So mas gusto ng mga tao na merong image silang makikita kaysa walang image na makita. Now, for videos, are very engaging content And internet users prefer to watch videos before they want to see what a product can do for them in real life. So mas gusto ng mga tao na tingnan ang video kaysa malaman nila kung paano to gamitin tong produkto na ini-endorse. 78% of internet users watch videos every week. 55% people watch videos every day. And major platforms like YouTube have helped videos become a huge success. And not to forget that almost all social medias, Facebook, Instagram, meron silang mga videos. At ang pangatlo are infographics. Ano ba tong infographics? Infographics are visually attractive and present research facts in ways that are very simple to understand. So, mga research facts naman ang nasushow ng infographics. Contain valuable information and narrate stories in a beautiful and straightforward manner. So, nagna-narrate sila ng mga story pero maganda ang pagkagawa. And are 30 times more likely to be read than pure text content. So, 30% mas magandang basahin ito kaysa sa pure lang na text ang content niya. Now, what is the purpose of the visual media? People use visual aids to express their opinions and desires. Human beings have the natural tendency to pay attention to visuals like graphics and illustration. So, gusto ng mga tao na nakakakita talaga sila ng mga pictures. However, it was not until the last few decades that the technological revolution reshaped the visual media landscape. Visual media helps students retain concepts and ideas. They make concepts more accessible to a person than text media and help with later recall. So mas gusto ng tao, ulitin ko, na makakakita sila ng mga visual media kaysa sa text. Pupils can experience worlds beyond their own, especially if the media are sharply different from their local environment. So, online sources. An online source is a material you find online. So, pag sinabing online sources, lahat ng mga material na makikita natin sa world of internet, world of online. So, yun ang mga online sources. Now, what's more? Awareness check. Direction. Study the image below on COVID-19 update in the Philippines. Interpret the data and answers the question carefully. So this is now the infographic. We have to interpret it. For question number 1, what gender has the most number of deaths? Number 2, what age range has the highest death rate? Number 3, what age range has the least death rate? Number 4, what is the source of this update? Number 5, what is the source of the basic data update? Now, you can answer it, grade 6. Go, go, go. Now, what I have learned, let's remember this. VM is very important because you can convey your message in an engaging way. It allows you to see and hear the information, making it easier to retain. What are the 3 types of visual media? Number 1, it is the most common type of visual media being used by online marketers today. Number 2, these are very engaging content. Number 3, visually attractive and present research facts in ways that are very simple to understand. Answer it now. Now, what you can do, a picture is worth 1,000 words. Tama. Isang picture lang at marami tayong words na pwedeng ma-describe sa kanya. Identify the type of visual media used in the following description. Write I for images, V for videos, and IN for infographics. Write the answers on your notebook. This is picture number 1. I for images, V for videos, IN for infographics. Answer. This is picture number 2. I for images, V for videos, IN for infographics. This is picture number 3. I for images, V for videos, IN for infographics. This is picture number 4. I for images, V for videos, IN for infographics. And this is picture number 5. I for images, V for videos, and IN for infographics. Finished? Very good. Now let's proceed. Assessment. Paint me a picture. How does the picture convey? Interpret the meaning in the visual media based on your own understanding. This is picture number 1. The subdued color suggests that the biker reached the peak of his destination. Is it sunrise or B, sunset? Number 2. This infographic is an update on A, the cause of COVID-19, or letter B, the spread of COVID-19. Picture 3. The image shows that the player is an A, amateur, letter B, expert. For picture number 4, a gentle reminder to the public about A, proper hand washing, B, social distancing. And picture number 5, this event is the video presentation of A, birthday, B, wedding. Based on the picture, write your answers on your notebook. Now, for additional activities, say something about this polarium painting by looking at the text only. Write a 4-paragraph composition by describing the painting and be guided with the following questions. Ito yung igagawa nyo ng 4-paragraph composition. Ito yung mga guide questions. What have you noticed in the picture? What are the positions of characters in the picture? What feelings or emotions does the picture convey? How do different positions of characters affect the mood in the picture? And what mood does the painting depict? Thank you so much at dito po nagtatapos ang ating Module 2 sa English. Abang-abang tayo next week for Module 3 in English. This is Sir Alan Madino. God bless us all and thank you so much for watching.